Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tarisha, but you can call me ReshaJaie because we're besties now. And since we're besties now, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe because you need to know what I'm doing and I need to know, we need to communicate. But anyway, without further ado, let's really get into why we came here. I have like a mini Amazon haul for you guys. I just want to show you what I picked up, um, kind of like for my content creation journey and just a few things. I was on Amazon late at night scrolling. You know how that be. And I picked up a few things, but I think it will really help me with my journey. Anyway, so first things first, I had already opened it. I haven't opened everything and seen y'all. My neighbors is meth heads, I swear to God. But anyway, scratch that. So, first things first, if you've been here before, I know y'all can tell the difference. You hear that? Yeah, my audio is way better. And the first thing, this is what I had to open first because I'm like, I got a mic, I gotta use it. So I got the wireless lavalier mic. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I got the 2-pack. So I love this mic. Like, granted, I've only been using it for about 5 minutes, but within those 5 minutes, baby, this mic is it. It's inexpensive. I forgot the price, but I'll have all the prices and everything linked below. Hopefully, by the time this video comes out, I'll have my Amazon storefront up so you can go shop there. But anyway, like I was saying, I got the 2-in-1. So basically, it comes with two mics and one little transporter thing that you hook into your phone. And also with that, my phone was going dead, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna shoot a video. My phone about to go dead. Girl, on the little part that you plug into your phone, it's another part that you can plug your charger into, so you can charge your phone while you're doing a video. Girl, they thought of everything. So it basically, yeah, so like I said, it comes with two mics, the little part you put in your phone, um and then it has this box. I'm guessing it's a charger. Yeah. Oh, so it comes with the charger and an extra little clip thing. I don't know if you guys can see that, an extra clip. So that's cool. But yes, I love this mic. It's making such a difference in my audio. But I got this. It was actually when I bought it, it was on sale. I think I spent, I don't know for sure, but I want to say it wasn't anymore. It was maybe $27, if that, if that. But yes, great investment, especially if you're starting content creation like myself. You really want to invest in some good sound quality. So this one is great. They also have a 1-pack which just comes with the microphone and the little plug-in thing. That one was a few dollars cheaper. I think that one was the 1-pack was 25 and the 2-pack was 27 when I got it. But girl, get you one if your sound quality is not up to par yet. It's cheap and it's good. Get you one. And now this is one thing that I did open because I planned on doing a TikTok. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, I got me some fake baby hairs. Yeah. Yeah, I did. So this one that I ordered, it came with 4 pieces. Ooh, came all packaged up. So it has 4 pieces on here. The lace is pretty thin too. In the hair, like, I cannot wait to wear these. I don't know. I'm trying to think of a hairstyle I'm gonna do, but whatever I do, baby, I'm gonna have some dramatic baby hairs. They're gonna be cute. I don't like super, super dramatic baby hairs, but I like those little 2 swoops and then maybe some side hair, something like that. So yes, because my baby hairs do not be giving sometimes, and I be wanting that long, like fluffy look, like you want to be like Jada Waiter. And this is gonna make me jet away there. Okay, honey. Yes. So I really like these. These was for four of them. I'm gonna have it linked below because I'm not sure on the prices. I should have pulled that up. Don't fight me. But these were maybe $27 too. I love them. I feel like it's gonna give me like that look that I'm going for. So yes, it come. Ooh, you could buy it came. You could buy a 2-piece or a 4-piece. I just bought a 4-piece. I'm extra. I'm extra. You ain't got to do all that, but yes, this is cute. That's something I got. And now let's see. I also got some I got some clip-ins by the brand Amazing Beauty on I was about to say on Instagram, on Amazon. So they say when I read the reviews, like they had great reviews. I'm looking, as you can tell, I'm natural. So but I tend to wear my hair straight too. So when I wear my hair straight, I have finer hair. Like my hair, when it's straightened, it's fine. And it's just, I like a lot of body. I like movement. I like fullness. So got me some clip-ins. Says it's 100% human hair. And like I said, I got they had kinky straight. They had kinky straight, and then they had yaki straight. The kinky straight, I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the like crimps that's in kinky straight hair. It don't it don't do nothing for me. I don't like it. So I went with the yaki straight. Oh wow. And a lot of people were saying like it really does match African American hair when it's blowed out. I can already tell off that. I should have damn. I should have got 2 of these. I can already tell I should have got 2 of these. But baby, okay, look at the hair. It is full from root to tip. It don't have a weird smell. Oh, look at that. Your girl finna be out here swinging and banging. I got the one which was jet black. I'm gonna probably have to dye my hair black to match this. I was gonna get 1B, but they were out at the time. And I got this is a 14-inch because I didn't want nothing too long, but I still wanted a little bit of length, some fullness. I'm gonna see how they work. I've heard a lot of great reviews, but I know for a fact I'm probably gonna go and purchase another one because, like I said, I like full hair. And okay, it ain't really no shedding. It's like 2 or 3 hairs that came out, but hey, oh, I'm excited for this, y'all. I'm gonna do a separate video on how I install it and come up with a few little hairstyles you can do with this. But yes, I have so far just from out the package, it's good. It's cool. And y'all know, oh, I wonder if I'm gonna have to. Can you dye? I don't know. Answer below. Can I dye these hairs? Probably not. I probably can't dye them because they giving me 1B and this is giving one like a straight up jet black. I'm definitely gonna have to dye my hair because my hair is black, but like you see, it ain't that black. And plus, I need to wash my hair. It's like product in my hair or whatever. But yes, honey, you want some clip-ins? Amazing Beauty hair off Amazon, and they were not expensive because, child, some of these clip-ins be costing $300 something dollars. Right now, I'm not trying to pay that. So yes, like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video on the quality, like do some how I install it, how I really like it. So watch out for that video. So yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video on these. But yes. Oh, hold up. Not they provided me with a comb, a clip, some extra clips. Oh, it says if you activate your warranty, you can get a free gift. So I'm gonna see what that's about. Okay. Then they got basically how you're supposed to take care of your hair in here. I like the packaging. I love when companies throw in like little gifts for you. It's cute. I like it. But yes, this comb, I definitely can use this. Yes. And I like the color. But yes, honey, stay tuned for that video. Period. Then I got me this Ulanzi mini LED video light. I saw I cannot all things what's her name? I cannot for the life of me think of the YouTuber's name that I saw. She had this and I'm like, oh, that's bright. And she showed like how portable, how small and portable it was. So as you guys can probably tell, I don't have any lights. I just have like my bedroom lights and natural lighting. So I'm like, when I'm out and about or anything like that, I be needing a light. And it was great reviews on this product as well. So when you first, ooh, shoot not. When you first open it up, it has the charger. I mean, I'm just dropping everything in the light, and I guess, you know, the instruction manual. So let's see. Ooh, it's cute. So this can hook onto your tripod, and then it also has a space. If you have a mic or something, you can also put your mic in there. And it has a space on the two spaces on the side, and then a space at the top where I'm guessing you can put your microphone. And then it has the space where you charge it, and it has a few buttons here. So let's turn it on. I'm guessing this button turns it on. Or not. Baby, let me see how you're supposed to turn this on, because what am I doing wrong? Oh, I'm reading Chinese. I'm like, what? I'm guessing you may have to charge it before you use it. It doesn't say it in here, but y'all, anyway, I hope this works, but I'm going to charge it and then I'll let y'all know if it works or not. When I say this is a mini haul, this is a mini haul, boo. But my last thing that I got, and the last thing I got and the thing I was most excited about is this, it's by Elite Hood. It's the phone tripod stand. It says, it goes from a height of 17 to 81 inches. It's equipped with a 17-inch adjustable gooseneck. That's what caught me, is the gooseneck. Like, you know what, a gooseneck, you can just turn it any direction, do anything. That's what I need, because the tripod I have y'all on now, it's real cheap. It does the job, but it's very light. Like, it's broken right now, so I'm barely making it do what it do with that one. It says it's perfect for portrait or low angle photos, perfect for shooting videos, perfect for streaming or video calling. Like, when I seen the thing, the gooseneck is what sold me, and it wasn't that expensive. And your girl need a new tripod, so it worked out. I wasn't gonna buy it, but I'm like, girl, invest in yourself. This, like, I'm really taking this content creation seriously. So Gotta invest. So it comes with the tripod, a carrying case, the gooseneck, the phone holder. Also comes with a Bluetooth remote control, the ball head, and the user manual. So I'm gonna put this together really quickly. It got some weight to it. It got some weight to it. It do. Oh, you look at that. Baby, I'm gonna get all the angles, period. Oh, I'm like, what the heck? Okay. These are. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. Your girl in the game. I just want to show y'all this, and then plus you put the gooseneck on there. Hold on, let me put it together for y'all real quick. Let me make sure I'm still recording now. Yeah, we still live, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna undo it, and then let's take this. Keep it tall, they say. And then you're gonna take your gooseneck. Take the gooseneck. Okay, and we're gonna put the gooseneck on. Ooh, y'all, I forgot this. It's very sturdy. It's not one of them flimsy cheap ones, because baby, the one I got right now, I don't know how I'm doing it, but I'm doing it. Ooh. Oh yeah. And then it has I have like 4 or 5 of these already. The Bluetooth remote. Okay, because I don't have nobody like to really take pictures for me, so I'm gonna have to. Oh, okay, come with an extra battery. Big purr. Yes, honey. But yes, you guys. So that's what I got from Amazon. Just, a few things specifically just for the content creation journey that we're going on. I'm so glad you guys are part of it and going on it with me. But yeah, that's all that I have. And like I said, bestie, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Like, I really mean that. Like, each view, even though I don't have a whole lot of views, but each view is like organic. I haven't even promoted that I'm doing YouTube yet. So any view that I get, I am ecstatic. Like, I don't care if I get 12 views. I'm ecstatic. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. But there's going to be more to come. And like I said, be on the lookout for the hair video, because we about to get it in. I don't know if I should do like a super in-depth video anyway, I'm rambling in my mind. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. See you later. Bye, bestie.